In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the LAN cable not working on your PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are using a LAN cable to connect your PlayStation 5 to the internet and you are having trouble getting it to work, this could be due to various reasons. The most important thing is to check the hardware that you are using. First, make sure that the cable is fully inserted into the LAN port of the PlayStation 5 and make sure that it is properly connected to your router. Your router should have various different ports available to connect to other devices, so a PC, for example, a laptop, and of course you can use one of these to connect your router to your PlayStation 5. Try to connect it using a LAN port. If you place it in the wrong port, for example this one, then you might not be able to access the internet. It is important to choose one of these labeled ports, which usually will be grouped like this in groups of 4 or more, and then it is going to work. And then of course make sure that your router is properly set up and connected to your modem. Now, if it is still not working, then check the connections, like I said before, make sure that they are fully inserted and inspect the cable. If you notice any sort of damage, bruises, or cuts, then you might have to try a different cable. So if you have another cable available, try replacing it. Now, try plugging the Ethernet cable into a different port. It could also be a problem with the actual port on the PlayStation 5 itself. If the port is damaged, then you won't be able to connect it to the internet, and you might have to purchase a replacement or look into alternative adapters like USB to an Ethernet port. Then you plug it into a functional port. Besides this, try power cycling the PlayStation 5. Power off the PlayStation 5, unplug it, leave it there for a few seconds or even up to a full minute, and after that, then reboot. See if it works. Now, if you are doing the internet connection, you should go to the settings, access the network category, and then set up internet connection. Make sure that this option is toggled, connect to the internet. And now, if you are connected to a Wi-Fi network, it is important to disconnect it from. So disconnect from any Wi-Fi network that you might be connected to, and you will see the option here, set up wired LAN. If it is grayed out like this, it's mostly because you have an active connection. Now, if you choose Setup Wired LAN, you will be able to give it a custom name. You usually don't have to change advanced settings, but if you want to, then you can do so now, and then choose the option to connect. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So your subscription means a lot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.